Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the CHAR function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly is this function? So this function is used to display characters that are represented by numbers inside of your computer's display. So for the purpose of this video, I have a few numbers that I have written right here, and we are going to use the CHAR function in order to see what is the character that is displayed by each of those numbers. Before we start, it's important to understand what are the arguments inside of this function. So this function is pretty simple. You only have one argument, which is the number. That number can only be between 1 and 255. So for the purpose of this video, I have added 256 to see what will happen if we use it. So if we try out this function, so if we want to write it out, how it's going to work, it's pretty simple. So as always, we are going to write down our equal sign and then simply write down char. Then we can open up our parentheses and select the number with which we want to work. So in this case, it's going to be the number 4 that is just here, and we can close our parentheses. And once we run our function, this is the element that has been generated with the number 4. So if we do the same thing with number 27, if we drag it down here, as you can see, well, it's the same thing. This simply means that it's a emoji or something like this, and it can be generated. So if, for example, we change 27 for, I don't know, 95, as you can see, this is the character that has been generated in this case. If we change 95 to 101, for example, it's going to be the letter E. If, for example, we change it from 101 to 125, it's gonna be this character right here. So as you can see, there is one character that is associated with each and every number inside of your computer. And that number goes from 1 to 255. So if we drag it down here, as you can see, the number 255 will be associated with this letter. If we change number 4 to 40, for example, as you can see, this is the character associated with the number 40. Now, if we want to try to run this function with the number 256, what we can do is simply drag it down here. And as you can see, we are going to receive a error sign, because we try to run this function with a number that is different from, that is not between 1 and 255, which are the numbers for your character inside of your computer. If, for example, we use 0, it's going to be the same story right here. So it's going to be an error once again. If we use negative numbers, so same thing, it's going to be an error. So this is how you use the CHAR function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.